Hey guys, up at Pensacola Rubber and Gasket, waiting to get a hose made. Blew a hose yesterday trying to pull some pilings out. We're on a project now where we're pulling old creosote poles out, and they're 50 foot long. I couldn't believe they're that long. It looks like they were chiseled on the end or axed on the end. There wasn't a saw cut, it was just an axe cut. So ain't no telling how long these things were in and how long ago, but I was told there was a fuel depot there. So this was a fuel loading dock that we're actually removing. We're putting in another dock for the association. It's gonna look really good. If you guys like what I'm doing here, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I get quite a few emails. I have a hard time getting back with all the emails, so if you would, just leave me a comment here. It helps me out, gets more noticed on YouTube with all the interactions. So leave me a comment here. I'll try to get it answered as soon as I can, and keep on watching. Thanks. Guys, here's the next project we're fixing to get started on. It's the community dock over here in Bay Chico. We're going to get this tore out, put back in. Looks like we got a bunch of creosote pilings to deal with. That's never no fun, but we're installing everything brand new.
This is not Dale with Dale's Marine Construction. I'm going. You got it, didn't you?
A little bit broken, pull out. Let's see. A lot of hard work. We got most of the poles out, and a lot of them are 50 foot long. I can't believe that. They were down in the ground about 25 foot. But we got to get close to a clean slate and got some poles loaded up on a bar, so we'll be ready to go. We got all the creosote poles out. Some of them ended up being 50 foot long. Got all of the reclaimed material that we took down over to the reclaim yard now, a little bit more on the barge. We're fixing to unload. Got some of our material already stacked up here on the job site. We brought over via the barge. So we're gonna run over there now, get another load of material, get over here, and get started on setting the pole. Got all the piling set over here for the community dock, and another one of our Florida thunderstorms are coming through. I think we've had 5 of them recently. We're gonna go ahead and get the barge and move back over to the yacht club where we finished up last week and get it safe harbored over there. New top cap supports, whaler supports installed now for the top cap here. Running some 1/2-inch stainless steel through rods all the way through, trying to tie the whole thing together. You see the new tieback rods right there installed on the pilings. We dropped them down, like I said earlier, because the pole's so rotten up top. Try to get down where some good structure in the pole to hold this wall up. Getting our scaffolding installed now, so we can get out here and start building this. Wall is 9 to 10 foot deep out here at the end. Get some scaffold boards put up, and we'll start framing everything up. Put some piling wrap on top of the old wall, prevent the water from getting back in there and creating any additional rot that hasn't already occurred. Try to slow it down. Okay, we made some great progress on this project. Got the top cap done. Got the handrail started on, got a synthetic board on top. Tries to prevent any splinters from your hand as you slide them down. And you got the framing put up, all the framing, outside framing is up on the dock, cross tie stringers, all the bolts in, through bolts are in, scab blocks, got a set of stairs in already. Already got the framing out on the platform completed. Getting ready to start laying decking here as soon as we get the rest of the framing on this top area right here. Should be able to have this dock completely knocked out by tomorrow. Then we got another one right down here. We started on that one next, doing a demo on it and rebuilding it. Real good progress on this last week. Should be cleaning it up, getting the benches put on today, finished up the handrails, and have this project 100% complete. Then we're moving right down over here, get started on that demo. Step down, 2 steps down actually, for lower boat access or low tides. Make it real nice. Completed project, the Homeowners Association dock with a step down platform, a couple benches. Turned out real nice. y'all, thanks for continuously checking out my videos, and if you're new to checking it out, I appreciate it. If you would, give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share. If you got any comments, leave them right here on the page. I can get back to you a lot easier here than going through the emails. While I'm sitting on the tractor, I try to answer some of the questions. But if you'd like to see more of our projects, you can go to the Facebook page /Dales Marine. We've got 7 crews total that are doing this job, so I'm only videoing what we're doing. Thanks a lot.